I think also, colleagues, once we have implemented the plan, then we review. We review what we have done. Sometimes people don't know. Some things goes wrong, but I know. You see, because when you come here in the morning, you can see we start on time. You know, the people are ready. But there's small little things that I've observed, and that is what we call the lessons that we've learned. So when we go through a review, it's not to criticize the person, but it's to look at the plan, how we can improve our processes in the future. And that is the process and the philosophy that we as Medusa have when we implement programs and when we do things. Colleagues, our membership from Medusa, I must say, have grown. We've got Misa. Dana, can you just stand, please? Dana, they joined Medusa. Misa have about something like 29,000 members. They organize in the motor sector. Sariwa, is Sariwa here? Can you just stand for me? The motor transport workers union, Emily, can, or your president can just stand here. I don't want to let you stand all the time. Jamafu here. Nobody can you stand there? These 4 unions that have joined us have pushed our membership up with another extra 50,000 members. Okay? But I am sad to report also, since our last Congress, that the PSA has also left us. Okay, and that has created a serious problem for our financials because we lost about more than R1 million per year. But through the good guidance and the leadership of our structures, and especially Dani Carstens, Dani, where are you? Dani, can you just stand? Because I want to see this guy from power. He's the chairperson of our company. Dani sat hours with us to look at every expense, to see how we can cut and to make the budget streamlined. And I want to thank Dani for his contribution. And colleagues, we didn't leave it there. I went back to the PSA, we wrote letters to them, and the PSA is now busy considering. I spoke to one of the executive members, and he said to me, Dennis, I'll promise you, before January 1, the PSA is going to be back with it. I will inform you, as soon as they come back, we will send the letters out and the media releases. We also yesterday invited some independent unions to come and join our Congress, the opening session. That is also our endeavor to recruit them and to bring them on board, and I think that is very necessary. We have remained true to our vision of uniting workers under a non-party political banner for the sake and the rights and interests of employers across our country. Trade union unity. A united voice is better than a fragmented petty issues, and fighting over petty issues to do so. Enough to have taken hands. We formed the Confederation, the South African Confederation of Trade Unions, SAPOTU, and SAPOTU was launched in November 2007. I must say that we're working very well together with each other. We saw NATO's president was here, the General Secretary, and the big delegation. What we need to do now, colleagues, is to take that process forward so that we can, at the end of the day, finish off with a single super federation that will make us stronger and that will make us better to deliver more for the workers. You also saw yesterday the General Secretary of Monsalvo was here to also address you, and we are also in discussions with them to foster trade union unity. Colleagues, on the representation level, Medusa is represented on the Presidential Joint Working Group. This is an advisory body for the President. We meet with him about 4 or 5 times a year. And we advise the President on all these key issues, including labor market problems, the issues of the economy, interest rates, and all these matters. We normally send out an executive summary after the meeting to all our affiliates. We are represented on NEDLAC, the NSA, SACWA, the National Board for Further Education and Training, on the CCMA governing body. We've also asked the CCMA later during the day to come and conduct the elections for us so that the elections can be free and fair. We are also represented is George Strauss here. George, can you just stand, please? That's the name of the guy there, George Strauss. He's representing Medusa on the unemployment insurance fund. You heard him in the they had a fight yesterday, but I'm going to see some of the recommendations that come from the Commission. FEDUSA is also represented on the occupational compensation, occupational health and safety structure. Is Joseph here? Joseph was the guy that was shouting so loud yesterday, "Aman, son!" But I don't see him there, he's maybe still sleeping. The compensation board, the MLC, our president is represented on SANEC, the National Productivity Institute, the I2C that is based internationally in Brussels. I've already introduced you to Kwasi from the I2C Africa. FEDUSA had also invited John Evans yesterday here. He addressed you from the Trade Union Advisory Committee to the Organization for Economic Change and Development, and FEDUSA is also represented on that. Colleagues, in terms of our service delivery, I must say our financial situation is going to improve. 3 financial statements for the 3 years later during the meeting that is going to present this report. But I must just say this to you, that we are very, very, very happy, because since we've been formed for the last 11 years, we've never had any qualifications on our financial statements. And that is to do because we've got quality leadership and people that look after the finances that you give to us. Our confident reflection is also about our paid-up membership. And tell you, FEDUSA is one of our affiliates, pay their affiliation fees on time. When Ruby sent the statements out, it's only here and there. You know, I'm not going to mention names this morning. We will have some comrades that will need to learn. Workers' money is trust money. When you receive it, the part that must come to FEDUSA must come immediately. Not 90 days after the time. If you don't work with me, I will speak to Mr. Johan Krause to deregister. Our training programs, colleagues, have been funded by partners like the Department of Labor, like the International Labour Organization, also national government. What we do when we receive money from these people, we spend the money